Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. We're doing the blonde. We're testing it out. I am still very on the fence. I'm gonna have to do my makeup and see how this comes out. But yeah, let's just jump right into my makeup. And I don't know, maybe the new hair color will make me excited about my makeup by the end of the video. Let's go. I haven't been using Danessa Myricks as a primer lately, and maybe that's the problem. Maybe that's why I haven't been liking it. So let's go ahead and use that today. This is the Yummy Skin Balm in the Universal shade. Blend that out. And then I'm gonna also use the water powder serum from Danessa. I always forget that it says don't, I hate the dropper on this. It says don't shake. Right, it says don't shake, right? I don't know what to do for foundation today, so let's do NARS Soft Matte. I feel like you can never really go wrong with NARS. Of course, I gotta get my hairline. Okay, let's blend out concealer. I have on Gucci, Givenchy, and NYX. Just gonna spread that out. Ooh, that's a lot of concealer. That's a lot of concealer. Okay. Ooh. Ooh. It's so much concealer, but it's okay. It's okay. It's gonna work itself out. Let's do a little underpainting with liquid blush. First, this is from Huda Beauty, and you know we're gonna blend it into the concealer. Urban Decay on the under eye pressed powder. And then let's do Huda Beauty, the purple powder to bake. Okay, let's go Charlotte on bronzer. let's do Laura Mercier for powder blush. Ooh. I'm just not a big, I'm not that big of a blush girly yet. I don't know if I'll ever get there. Let's do a little Patrick and Mario. Okay. Hold on, wait a minute. There we go. Ooh, ooh. Is it giving? I feel like it's giving the color and the face. Oh, the face is always gonna give. Just because I haven't liked how my makeup's been coming out doesn't mean, babe, I still look cute. And then paired with orange, I have nowhere to go today, so you guys are gonna be the only ones who see it, but you know, at least someone's seeing it. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. I fear it's giving Miss Tyrant. Actually, I think this is giving more, I changed my mind. I should have cheated. You changed. I think that's who this is reminding me of. More like, tell me it's not giving that era, which I'm a millennial, I'm stuck in that era anyway, but y'all might see this again in July. Oh, but the point of today is the face. More of a soft matte makeup look. She is cute. It is summer. Like I said, I have nowhere to go today, so like I can't really test out how it's going to hold up, but it's the NARSSoft matte and the both Danessa primers, so this will hold up well in warmer weather. And still, even though it looks more of a soft matte look, still sorry y'all, like I said, you're the only ones that I have to show it to today, so y'all gonna have to deal with me. Sorry. But yeah, y'all, that is it for today's video. Just doing my makeup with me. You just keep looking at yourself. Yeah, that is it. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video, so make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.